Twin Flame community and my twin flame friends. This is another twin flame journey information video. What I want to tell you is something about spirit babies. Now, there are some twin journeys. Uh, some people on their personal twin journeys, they will have spirit babies come into their dreams, or a baby come into the dream. Baby or spirit baby is the same term. They will have a baby come into their dreams, and the baby will be telling them certain things, trying to initiate them to go onto a spiritual path or something like that, or the baby will be telling them whatever the baby wants to tell them. Now, why the spirit baby starts coming into your dreams is because the spirit baby is actually working with you, for you, on your twin journey. The spirit baby, he or she, is also coming into your masculine twins or feminine twins dreams. As he is approaching you, he will be approaching them also. He could be approaching both simultaneously at the same time, or he could do 6 months with you and then the next 6 months with your masculine twin, in his dreams. So the spirit baby is very wise. He's coming from a 9D or a 12D aspect, and right now here we are at 4D right now, and 5D. But the spirit baby is in 9D or 12D. He's very very advanced spiritually. So he is working on your behalf for your twin journey, because he's going to bug your mind in your dream space all the time. Then he's going to bug the masculine twin's mind all the time. And what is he bugging you for? To come together in a sexual alliance so that he can be born, the spirit baby can be born, because he has a time span too for coming into this earth and doing whatever he is supposed to do, his sole purpose. So he is going to bug you, he is going to make nuts out of you, keep bugging you in dream space very sweetly, to like a woodpecker pecks on the wood, keeps pecking, keeps pecking, keeps pecking till he can make a hole. That is what the spirit baby will do. If you have a spirit baby coming into your dreams, you are the luckiest person on this twin journey. If you're feeling energetic pregnancies, if you're feeling all the symptoms of an energetic pregnancy, and not like a physical pregnancy, you should feel lucky. The spirit baby is working on your behalf, and the spirit babies are so intelligent, so damn intelligent, from coming from 9D 12D aspect. They know how to do things, how to get out to outcomes, how to get to results better than you will ever imagine. Thank you so much.